Friends, Namaste. My name is S. Anandmurthy, your well-wisher. Today's topic is PONZI schemes. So what is meant by PONZI schemes? See, in PONZI schemes happens like they promise you higher returns. We should understand the basic connect between risk and return. Higher the risk, higher the return. Lower the risk, lower the return. The first fact what this schemes says is that there is minimum risk or there is no risk at all, but the returns will be very high. And they promise you to pay consistent amount even in all conditions. That means even different market cycles. So one thing, they promise you high return and they provide you the consistent amount, equal amount in all the market cycles. So how they will provide you the funds? Let us take an example. Suppose we are keeping FD in a bank and the banks promises us 6% as interest. How the bank promises? The bank lends money, they earn interest. Out of maybe they return maybe 10%, 15%, 20%. Based on that, they will give 6% to us. Rest, they will keep it for expense and profit. There is a clear business model where the money comes and where the money goes out. Here, what happens in PONZI schemes, there is no such definite source of revenue. These people starts giving returns in the name of return your own money or the money from the new investors. As the days pass on, as the new investors comes in, they keep on distributing money. One day, they'll vanish. So the friends, we should understand the best basic rule, where the money is coming for these schemes and how they can assure so much high return. Some may give explanation, they are investing somewhere, for them they are getting higher return. Some may say that they invest in market, stock market, every month their money is going to earn huge money. Then how we can identify these are PONZI schemes? First thing, as we discussed, they promise you high return with no risk, consistent return, and they are very secretive in their investments, and there will be errors in the documents. Normally, these kind of scheme runners or these companies will not be registered or fake registration. Example to say, if any schemes like this has to be launched, there has to be a proper registration. If it is a company, the company has to be registered in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. And if they are making any investments in stock market, for example to say brokers, they have to register and they should have a proper broking license. Or if they want to distribute or sell a mutual fund, they should have a mutual fund registration certificate, that is ARN. For like various investment intermediaries, there are various registration processes are involved. These schemes or these companies will not follow anything. So before investing, make sure whether these kind of registration has been done by these companies and whether the guidelines are followed by these companies. Friends, because all the guidelines, all these kind of registration, all these kind of parameters are fixed by the government only to safeguard us, the public. We should not think that the government is just troubling the companies. All these parameters are fixed by the government only to protect us. So be careful. Once the new investors coming, they'll keep on giving money to the existing investors. One fine day, the company vanishes. So be careful, friends, before investing. So don't go through PONZI schemes. It is all your hard-earned money you're giving. Just think before investing and know the revenues of such schemes. Quote of the day: we should not stop until we reach our destination. Thank you.